So hi guys, right now nandito ako sa Liberty Village. Okay, so kasi kagagaling lang namin sa Kintan Ramen. Nag-meet kami ng mga coworkers ko to have a lunch, dinner. I mean lunch date. Five of us. So it's a Japanese Kintan Japanese noodles, ramen. So yeah, so bakit dito sa Kinton Ramen? Actually, na-discover lang namin to na meron palang Kinton Ramen dito. So that's why we decided na to try this restaurant, the Japanese restaurant. Yeah. So this is the Liberty Village. Ano ito, medyo atong mga nandito, it's an old buildings. It used to be, ang ano nito, parang ang zoning nito is like an industrial industrial ano ito, zoning. So mga structures dito, yung mga building na matagal na sila nandito. Sabi nga no, nung the people that I know who lives here for a longer time already, na they said that this place used to be a factory for one is the carpets, candies, and the other one is parang mga furnitures. Yeah. Then siguro it's not, kumbaga probably di ko alam kung siguro sabi natin di na kumikita siguro, and then because of the restructuring of the city, nagkaroon ng tatawag na changes of community, changing ng community, kaya then all of a sudden those factories, buildings, they kinda parang ni-redesign nila, ginawa nila mga condos. So ito, kaya itong Liberty Village, from being a factory zone or industrial zone area, naging naging community, corporate, yung mga ganun. So a little bit farther makikita mo yung pagkakaiba, yung changes. But I will try to capture some of the old historical industrial buildings na until now they can make it like sometimes they made it, I mean, means yung iba makikita mo, they turn it into a cafe, restaurants, groceries, condominiums. Okay. So this is another one. For sure, this is also one of a, like a factory, used to be a factory. Now it became, oh yeah, it says it's like a brewery, Liberty Common, but now they make it like a restaurant, like a cafe. So if you look at this, a brewery, yeah, and now it's becoming like a restaurant. So guys, ito, this building is, I mean, iconic talaga din siya kasi look at it's an old building, and as you can see the wall, yung pader niya, there's punta natin, closer, may mga ugat-ugat na yung mga puno, it's you can really see it's an old structure. Tingnan mo, hindi nila tinanggal siguro pag summer, yung pag nagtubuan na yung mga dahon, talagang itong binin na ito punong-puno siguro ng mga ng mga dahon. But actually, if you think about it, it's just an office now, and it's a capsule. I don't know what company is that, capsule. So like this one, yung kung nakikita niyo sa harap ko, siguro ano din yan, another paggawaan noon na ginawa nilang bangko na. Can you believe? Kasi may napakalaking ano, parang alam mo yun, parang labasan ng usok. So for sure there's an industrial happened going on back then, and now they make it a Scotiabank. And now this one, ito yung medyo is a little bit nice restaurant or cafe, Impact. So yeah, and yeah, we're here now, and parang pinaka main ng Liberty Liberty Market buildings. So pupunta tayo ngayon dyan. So yan sila. Medyo busy na itong area na ito. May mga parking lot, may mga parking space pala. So we keep on walking, guys. So papasok tayo dito sa parking space na ito kasi pupunta tayo dito sa Liberty Market building. Yeah, so kung makikita niyo sa paligid, guys, there's a lot of old buildings na alam ko dati mga parang factory yan siya, mga pagawaan. So now, if you can see, ginawa nilang coffee shop, yung Balzac's Coffee Shop, one of my favorite coffee shop, Balzac's. Yeah. So tatawid tayo, guys. Yeah. Ewan ko ba't magalaw itong ano ko, action camera ko ngayon. Yeah. So, okay. So ito, another restaurant here. Yeah, very kumbaga itong area na itong Liberty Village, parang it's an historical area, industrial zone. Pas ginawa na nilang vibrant yung area where there's a lot of yung mga dating industrial buildings, ginawa nilang mga corporate offices, yung mga ganon. So kaya karamihan dito makikita mo mga young generation, mga young office workers. So yeah, yun lang maganda dito sa area na ito. So even this one here, ito nakakatuwa itong ano na ito. Pag pumasok ka dito, parang like a facade with a lot of stores, and it's a very ang ganda niya tingnan, ang ganda maglakad. So yun. So we're still walking. So like that guy drinking coffee, relaxing. So yun, maganda tong area na ito, very iconic. Look at look how they do it. Like, I know this one doesn't exist before, but they kind of construct it para maganda tingnan. Look at that. It's a cool place to to hang out. Yeah, I think that's a perfect it's a cool place. It's a cozy place to hang out. Yeah. So makikita mo there's a pizza here, and there's a yoga fitness, and there's a Caribbean thing, and kaya pala, and there's a Carnaby para mga lahas ata yun eh. And look at the dogs. dogs that meet for the first time. So, see, this one is another industrial building. Now, I think they're, kita mo meron na naman ulit na, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan eh, yung labasan ng usok. So, now they are constructing it to become a Popeye's chicken. Yeah, so here you see that. So this one cannabis where they sell marijuana, weeds. Alam niyo naman dito sa Canada, legal na dito yung magbenta ng mga ganon. But it should be dapat license siya, Okay, I saw those bread here, parang gusto ko bumili. Tikman kaya natin to, no? I should try this. Oh. Susubukan ko to tong ito. Parang ang sarap. Or the cinnamon scone. Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Hello.
Can I have just a piece? Yeah.
What, a cinnamon bun?
Yeah, the cinnamon bun. Yeah. Oh, do you accept cash?
Yes, we do.
Okay. I'm on. I have this. Yeah. Titikman natin. Ah. So guys, as we keep walking, so nakita niyo ito, this is a big mural. Yeah. Tingnan niyo naman. Kaya nakasulat eh. Dream big. Yeah. Masarap magpa-picture dito. So, picture na tayo. So look at this iconic hindi naman siya estatwa. Parang lang, I don't know, art, probably art. Yeah. So nag-open sila dito ng metro. Hindi ko pa talaga napuntahan tong area na ito eh. Ikot ko lang itong camera. Yeah. So ito yung pinaka main ng Liberty Village. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung nandoon pa sa area na yun, pero titingnan din natin. So yung nandito lang is yung metro, yung supermarket. But I'm looking for a washroom. Wala ata silang washroom dito. Yeah. So anyway, siguro pero hanggang dito lang naman talaga yung ano niya yung pinaka-commercial area ng Liberty, yung pinaka-main niya. So eto nga ito yung tingnan mo tong ano na ito. Itong dating machine corporation na ito, yung heavy duty na ano na dati noon na ginawa na nilang parang office na rin ngayon. So yeah, puntahan natin. Oh, tignan mo, parang meron siyang ano doon, parang merong hukay na hindi pa fully developed. Siguro may plano sila dyan. Okay. So makita mo yung mga spaces nagiging condo na tulad nito. Yeah, condo na siya. So in short guys, itong area na ito talaga ulitin ko na naman ulit bago tayo magpaalam. Itong area na ito dating industrial zone where there's a lot of mga factories, industrial businesses, yung mga ganon. And then they change it into a community na kung saan may mga condos na, may mga corporate buildings, offices. So ganun na siya ngayon. Kaya yeah. So nag-change na siya. So naging very vibrant na yung place. May mga shopping plazas, mga ganon, cafes, dinings, yung ganon. So yep. So this is the Liberty Village. Okay guys, thank you for following me. Magpapaalam lang ako sa inyo. So guys, thank you for watching. Kung sana until now nanonood pa kayo. So this is gonna be I know it's quite a long video, but gusto ko kasi para kasing kulang kailangan ipakita ko talaga lahat, kaya medyo mahaba yung video ko. Pero if you get this far, thank you very much for following me. Sana wag kayong magsawang panoorin ako. Though I know I'm still building some viewers, but alam mo naman ang YouTube, matindi ang mga competitions ngayon when it comes to viewership. So I hope this video you find it interesting. So thank you guys. It's me, Walyayu, in Liberty.